Evening all, Marks here, back again with another video, back again with another unboxing. In this video we have our RayBan Meta Wayfarer glasses. Now I got these in a good few days ago, but I was away so I didn't get a chance to open them. And I'll be honest, even though this is an unboxing, I have unboxed them, so I've been playing with them all day, so they're already open. I've already had a little play with them, so it's not going to be a very long unboxing, but I can give you my initial thoughts with them as well. So we've got a little cleaning cloth one side, some instructions the other side, nothing too fancy. But what we are doing is filming this on the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. So you can sort of see what this DJI OSMO Pocket looks like in sort of video quality indoors with kind of relatively normal light in it as well. I'm using their microphone. So this little camera is like gimbalized, has a little microphone that goes with it, and I am filming with that whole setup. So here's the lovely little case that comes with now. I own the original ones, and if you want a side-by-side comparison of those, let me know, and I might try and figure something out. But this case is much nicer, much slimmer. The last one was like big and round and just bulky, and you couldn't keep it anywhere. This actually is pocketable. The last one was horrible. Little light on there when you open the case up, so you close it. You can sort of see how much power it's got. Glasses in there, they're kind of like not magnetically, there's like little pushers on the inside there that kind of keep the glasses in, and then you just take them out. A little bit of a clip to get them out. And then there they are. I went for the XXL size, so they are the big ones, the Big Daddy glasses, but they are pretty smart. As I say, I have had these on all day. You got your little button on the top there for kind of clicking it once to take a photo, hold it to take a video. You've got touch controls on the side for turning the volume up and down, tapping to stop, double tapping to go back forward a song, triple tapping to go back a song. Links in with my YouTube music, no issues. A little indicator light on the right. You can't cover that up when you want to take videos or photos because it will tell you off and say that it's been covered and you need to uncover it to be able to take them, so that's good. And then the actual camera's on the left hand side here. Nice big solid hinges, not a very heavy headset. It's actually quite sort of sunglasses, pretty light. I've got the kind of transition lenses, so you can't really see in this video, but in the daytime these turn like a semi sort of darkish green. So it does look quite cool. I did test them outside earlier, and obviously they're RayBan, so they do look very sort of swish and RayBandy, with the logos on the side, even on the lens and the glasses there, little one on the side there. I don't know if you can see that in this light. And they feel great. They've got little speakers on the inside, so you can wear them as kind of like headphones. And if you've got anything below sort of 80% volume, you can't, and nobody else can hear it really, unless it gets super close to your head. So that's pretty cool. Microphones, however, are super sensitive. They can hear you breathe. I was walking around with my mouth open, and you can hear me breathing with this thing on. So let's pop these on, and let's bring the camera up to my face. Oh no, wrong way. Hey, there we go. How do I look? How do I look with these glasses on? As I say, if I take a photo, little click, there we go. Let's stick that on screen somewhere so you can see what that photo looks like. This is the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. And a little video. Indoors, you can sort of see the little light lit up. Is it pulsing? Yeah, it's pulsing on the side there, so you know that I'm recording a video. So I can't hide and do anything sneaky, because you shouldn't do anyway. And I'm looking down because there's a little screen on the bottom here, so it's kind of drawing my eyes down. But what do you think? Looks pretty good. Do I get away with glasses? I'm not sure. I do have pretty good eyesight. It is quite nice that if you are kind of, let's stop that video. If you are kind of listening to music on these and it's going through the sides, when you take them off, it stops. When you put them back on again, it starts, because it kind of makes a little noise when you put it on and off. So there must be some sort of little sensor somewhere that's sensing when this is on your head. There's a little hole at the bottom there. I don't know whether that's a microphone on the side there, but then there are two little holes at on the arms at the bottom there and there as well. So I pop it on, it goes da-ding, and then I can say, hey Meta, take a photo. Ka-ching, and it's taking a photo. I can say, hey Meta, take a video. And it starts recording. What do you think of the quality? Yep. Let me know what you think. This is bang my microphone on the table. Let me know what you think about this quality. It's indoors, relatively low light. There's not much light going on here. Didn't set up anything special. Hence why I'm very sort of top lit at the moment. Let me know what you think. Let's stop that there. You can also kind of ask it kind of general sort of questions about like what time it is and that sort of thing. If you have to kind of test all the features. But so far, big thumbs up. For me, these feel like a much better product than the previous ones. They're a little sort of tight putting them on and off. They kind of scratch the side of your head as you put them in. But I know some people have had issues with them kind of raising their ears. I know ZimTok5 was talking about kind of scratching the top of his ears. Mine don't seem to do that. They seem to be okay. But what do you think? I know I'm getting pretty close. I'll put some other videos, examples maybe at the end of this video so you can sort of have a little look what it's like. Some of the stuff I've created today, it's all been kind of portraits, that's how it films. But if you want to kind of do that, you have to kind of crop it to be able to make a landscape video or photo because it's made for social media. So the longest you can record is for a minute. So when I was doing the unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 3 with these sunglasses, I was having to stop it every minute and restart it. So check out that video somewhere to kind of see what that looks like and the quality and that sort of thing of unboxing this camera and then stopping and starting and see what it looks like. Hopefully it's okay. I don't know. We will see. But yeah, so far, expensive, over 300 quid. Don't tell the other half. But I like them. But let me know what you think about them. Let me know if you want to see anything specific. Follow me on social media, especially Twitter or X. So I'm quite active on there. And hopefully you guys will stick around for some other videos, some VR videos, some Quest 3 stuff coming, some interesting stuff that I'm working on, obviously stuff from around the arcades. But let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That's fine, I'm big enough and ugly enough to take it, but hopefully you enjoyed it. If you've got any comments, obviously let me know. And if you enjoyed that video, hopefully I was going to see you again and you guys can have a virtual high five.